Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will be discussing about numericals related to basic soil properties or the basic properties of soil. The numericals related to basic properties of soil can be divided into 5 categories for ease in learning, and we will discuss about each type of numericals in separate videos. In this video we will be discussing about the type 1 numericals, and they will be simply formula based numericals, and in the upcoming videos we will discuss about the other types of numericals related to basic soil properties. Before we start the video, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to it till now. So the first type of numerical related to basic soil properties related to simply formula based numericals. That is, if we are given, suppose we are given that the volume of soil sample is around 2 centimeter cube, and the total weight is suppose 3.8 grams. Then what will be the bulk density? And similarly, if the volume of solid is around 1.6 centimeter cube, then what will be the void ratio? So this is the numerical which is given to us. Volume of soil sample is given to us, total weight is given, then we are asking bulk density and what is the volume of solid is given, and we are asking the void ratio. These type of simple numericals that is directly based on formula can be asked. So we can write the given data. So we have the given data. That is, total volume of soil is given, capital V, 2 centimeter cube. Total weight of soil is given as 3.8 grams. Then we have also been given volume of solid, that is 1.6 centimeter cube. Now how we will find the we need to know the bulk density, that is represented by gamma B is unknown, and volume void ratio is also unknown. So how we can find these two quantities? We can simply write that bulk density is equal to total weight upon total volume. So total weight is given as 3.8 and volume is given as 2, and this is in grams and this is in centimeter cube, so we can say gram per centimeter cube. So we have the bulk density as 3.8 divided by 2, that is 1.9 grams, 1.9 gram per centimeter cube. So this is the simplest form of numericals we have, and one more thing we have to find, that is the void ratio. How we can find the void ratio? So we know the formula of void ratio. Void ratio is equal to volume of void upon volume of solid. Now here volume of solid is already known, and we need to know the volume of void. So we know that total volume is volume of void plus volume of solid. So we have total volume 2 centimeter cube, volume of solid as 1.6 centimeter cube. So we can find the volume of void. So volume of void will be total volume minus volume of solid. So we have 2 minus 1.6, that is 0.4 centimeter cube as the volume of voids. So volume of void will be 0.4 centimeter cube. Now we can place this value in this equation or in this formula. So we have void ratio as volume of void, that is 0.4, upon volume of solid, that is 1.6. So it comes out to be 0.25, and the unit, it will be unitless because both volumes are in centimeter cube. They will be cancelled out, and we have the void ratio as 0.25 in 0.25, that is dimensionless quantity. So in this way we can have this type of numericals in type 1. Similarly, one more numerical we can consider here, that is just a formula based numerical. So in this second numerical, suppose we are given the weight of soil in a soil sample is suppose 2 grams, and the weight of water is 0.5 grams. So find the water content of this soil sample. So we have to find the water content. The data given here is weight of solid is given, weight of solid is given as 2 grams, and weight of water is given as 0.5 grams. And we know that water content represented by small w is weight of water upon weight of solid. So we are given both the quantities. We can simply write 0.5 upon 2, that is again 1/4 or 0.25. Again the water content is dimensionless, and because both the weights are in gram, they will cancel out. In this way, simple formula based numericals are under the category of type 1 numericals. We can have multiple numericals of this category by simply changing the values, weight of water or volume of water, the numerical values we can change, and we can solve these problems simply based on the formulas. For more details on this type of numericals and more numericals on this type, I have given the reference to the books in the description box. You can check them out. One is from Gopal Ranjan, that is very good book for these type of numericals, and another one is from Carl von Terzaghi, father of soil mechanics. It is although it is costly, but a paperback is little bit in the range, so we can have these two books for referring to the soil mechanics numericals, and for laboratory purpose also a reference book is given in the description. You can check them out. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to the channel